got here? Parking garage, bridge, and it is the Ocean Walk Shops. Check this out, it's 3 levels. Maybe we should start at the top and work our way down. But looks like they have, let's see, the Beach Hut Cantina, street tacos. They have a convenience store, cigars. Here's Rocket Fizz, soda pop and candy shop. What we got over here looks like a photo booth, airbrushing tattoos, Glow Golf, and they have a Bubba Gump Shrimp, a Maui Nick's Surf Shop, Harry's Famous Pizzas on the 2nd floor, little beanbag tossing, restaurant market, Bubba Gump. I think they said it had a movie theater. And then over here, there's Mai Tai. It looks like a cool little bar. Not sure what they're going on here. It's a big empty space over there. But that's where we're going. Let's check out we'll go up the 2nd floor and see what's going on. There is an escalator too, just so you know. I just figured I could use the exercise. My belly's getting a little big. So that's a nice little place there. I bet you they do some kind of venues, concerts or something over there. Those guys are getting ready to go surfing. There's been some good waves out there the last couple days. Alright, let's check this out. It looks pretty cool. Oh yeah, I bet you they do concerts over there. Kind of has like this little Spanish feel. Ma'am, do they do concerts over here? Is that what they do? When's the next one? I want to go to it.
Well, there's Taylor Dane and Tiffany Saturday night.
Saturday night.
I'm trying to think. The pizza parlor right here.
Yeah.
He's got a thing.
Oh, okay. Do you have to buy tickets?
Yeah.
How much are they? You know?
No.
Have you ever been to a concert? Or can I just come up here and hang out? Or does everybody do that?
A lot of people do that. I don't know if they chase you away.
I'm sure they do.
I'm not here at night. But if you go look on the pizza parlor there's a flyer thing.
Okay.
It'll probably tell you how to get in touch or how to see if there's anything there.
I will. Thank you. John.
Chase Rice here Saturday.
Oh, okay. Oh, really?
It's right there.
Okay.
There's the
So during the summer they're free. But I bet you it's like 2-packs.
Well, they're tribute bands.
Okay,
They
okay.
start Memorial Day weekend.
Oh, down here.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So that's so every week you come here and there's a new poster up or something? No.
Not all the time.
Okay. Harry's Pizza.
Every once in a while.
Is Harry's Pizza good?
Yeah.
Where do you work at?
Johnny Rockets.
Johnny Rockets. Last time I was at Johnny Rockets was in Las Vegas. How long you been working there?
15 years.
Like it?
Yeah.
You run the place?
I manage.
I believe it. Yeah, all right. Yeah, I like them. All right, thanks for talking to me. All right. Let's see. Point Break. Looks like a tourist trap t-shirt shop. There's some elevators there if you need them. Entire store. You know what? I've noticed that a lot of the t-shirt shops and tourist stores, they're advertising 50% off or going out of business. And you know, when I was in Vegas, there was a lot of stores that said going out of business too. And I lived in Vegas for like 10 years. And every year that I was there, those same stores were going out of business. And they had a clearance sale. All right, we're on the 3rd floor now. Go check this side out. Wyndham. Sales center. Oh wow. Ocean Walk Resorts guest card access required. Okay. Looks like that's that. I don't know what they're doing. I don't think the movie theater's in action anymore. Hey boss, is the movie theater in action anymore?
No.
It's shut down? All right. Ooh, you know what? I don't know if I'm supposed to be up here. So they have a fire alarm going off. Uh-oh. Should I go around?
Yeah. That's why they got this area blocked off.
Yeah, I figured that. I figured. All right, thanks a lot. One time I was in Laughlin, Nevada, and they were renovating, I think it was called the Bell. It was like this old ship casino, and they had it all blocked off. This security caught me. I almost went to jail. Is the Wyndham Sales Center open anymore? No. Still, nothing's up here. Well, I guess we'll visit that other side of the 2nd floor. I apologize for the bouncing around, but my bad knee's acting up. It's getting a little stiff, so I need to be a little ginger on it. All right, so we went down that way. That's where the Johnny Rockets and the t-shirt shop. And oh, here we go. We'll go over here and see what they got. Blacklight mini golf. I think that's it. Yeah. Burger King across the street. Daily Super Bowl Sunday wings special. Super Bowl Sunday. I don't know what that's about. The Beach Mart. Oh, so this is that convenience store. There's the escalators. The smoke shop. Edibles and all kinds of stuff. Tobacco. Oh, we got a little bar over here. Oh, this is the Sloppy Joe's.
That's what our portion stop is.
Hey, what time you guys open up? 11?
Yeah.
All right. What time you guys get busy?
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. That was the Sloppy Joe's place. Hey, you ever ate at that Sloppy Joe's?
I work there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Is it good?
Yeah.
Reasonably priced? What are they famous for? Sloppy Joe's?
Well, they're famous for the Sloppy Joe's down in Key West.
Oh,
But yeah, we're an off branch of that.
okay.
Yeah, the food's good. I'm a cook, so yeah, it's good.
All right, you're cooking lunch today?
Yeah.
All right, I'll come.
All right.
What was your name?
DJ.
AJ.
Hey.
KJ.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna come in there. I'm gonna say, give me the KJ special,
right.
the special discount too. All right, have a good day.
You as well.
All right. Well, that was that. That was the Ocean Walk Shops. Ooh, got a little pool party back here. Well, this looks like another area I'm not supposed to go. You know, they had a lot of hurricane damage over here, so they're doing a lot of cleaning up and rebuilding. It's going pretty good. I mean, they're doing a good job. Let's see, we'll go this way. Lots of action going on. That's a big hole. All right, there's the Daytona Beach Pier over there. Nice breeze going on right now. And we'll just make our way down here. I bet you the acoustics are amazing in that Bandshell right there. It's really nice. That's where we were. Ocean Walk Shops. See, like, look at this here. Have it all fenced off, busted all up. they'll get it done. You know, it's a time-consuming process. Like I said, they're doing a good job, and you know, this gives them a chance to beautify the city some more, make it more beautiful than it was before. You know, Daytona used to be a really hot spot, and then it kind of got a bad reputation because they let it run down, and you know, it really became kind of a dirty city, and it lost a lot of revenue. But in the last, I think, what was it, last year or the year before, they started a beautification project, and they did this really nice boardwalk, and it's bringing itself back to what it used to be. You can go right along here. You can rest on any one of these benches, just relax, drink yourself a bottle of water, soak it all in. You got water in the grass over here.